This just in, breaking news everybody, Panasonic decides they actually want to compete in the photography and, maybe the photography, the videography industry. What did Panasonic do? Back to Chip at 4 on the news. What's up everyone? Welcome to the new year 2023. And what a crazy way to start off the new year. As you know, I haven't really made a lot of videos recently because the industry has been absolutely boring and I'm trying to figure that out. We'll see what changes in 2023. There really hasn't been a lot of exciting cameras or technology that comes out. If there's another lens that comes out, I just want to slam my head against the wall. That being said, Panasonic decides they actually want to play ball in 2023 and release actually good cameras that can compete within the industry. I know that sounds aggressive, but you'll see why in a minute. So today in early January 2023, Panasonic just announced and they will be shipping new cameras, 2 new cameras. This is the Panasonic S5 II, and they also have an S5 IIX. Basically, these are more video focused. I mean, that's pretty much what you're going with Panasonic anyway. I don't see a lot of people going the photography, the stills route for it. You're always kind of do video. So, when Panasonic has sold something, it's basically been in regards to their video form. But some big announcements here and for the future of Panasonic. Very excited to talk about it. I think it's like one of the first times ever I'm actually excited to talk about it. I'll shut up, let's talk about it. So for $2,000 USD, there will be the Panasonic S5 II mirrorless camera. Now, what does that mean? Basically, the big deal, the whole shablub, is that this is the first time that they're basically using phase detect autofocusing. If you don't know phase detect autofocusing, it's one of the most accurate and probably best forms out there in regards to like garbage contrast and all that kind of stuff. Panasonic has been so against using phase detect for absolutely no reason. It is time. They have done it. And once again, that is what has launched like Canon, Sony, all that kind of stuff, is because that was the most desired. And that is what held back a lot of interest from Sony. So now, or from Panasonic. So now that they're doing this, so once again, this is their first time they're using phase detect autofocusing as their primary autofocusing. That is a huge deal. And what are you getting with this? So this will be available in both the 5 II and the 5 IIX. Okay. Basically the 5 IIX is just more of a video enhancement. We'll cover that at the end. So everything's going to be about the same, just a little bit more video for the X. So like I said, $2,000, what's that going to get you? A new 24 megapixel sensor, 6K video, 30 frames per second, 10-bit, not too bad. What's pretty cool is 4K, 60 frames a second at 422. And for the body, you get a multi-angle touchscreen, kind of like you do always. And now this is the big one too. This is a 779-point phase detect system. I have a feeling that will do phenomenal. I literally can't wait to see a lot about this. I'm sure you're going to see a lot about this out there as well. I just don't have access to it at the moment, or really kind of any gear, but we'll see. But this is the first time, like I said, I'm excited about a Panasonic camera just because of the new implementation of the autofocusing system. And once again, a lot of this is kind of meh besides the autofocusing system, that being the big deal, but 5-axis in-body AMOLED stabilization, dual UHS 2 SD card slots, which I know we're going to throw off a lot of people, especially when you're trying to push video and stuff like that. And they said they were trying to push video for content creators with a major video focus. Thought that was pretty cool. And it will be weather sealed, or have weather sealed construction as well. So that is the S5 II. Now, once again, the X is kind of an add-on. And so the S5 II ships this month, actually, January 2023. The X, like I said, we'll cover real quickly with a couple more video options, will be shipping in May. I think they said mid-May 2023, and it is a couple $100 more. So it is $2,200 for the S5 IIX, and you're getting a couple things. You're getting basically a more advanced video body, and they're actually making an exclusive monotone black body. So you remove like the red and stuff like that from the body color. So they're making it a little bit different. I actually think it kind of looks pretty cool. And for $200, honestly, I don't think it's that much of a change. You might want to opt for going for this one anyway. But yet again, January to May, all depending if you want to wait. That being said, built-in RAW support via HDMI. I think that's pretty cool. This is interesting as well. USB to solid-state hard drive recording. So recording straight to hard drive, I think, is actually a pretty cool thing as well. And Panasonic does do a great job with video features and aspects. It's just, they've been stuck in the past a little bit with things. All Insure and ProRes formats. So if you like ProRes, really, really large files and whatnot, and you're on the Mac side of things, enjoy some ProRes out there. USB to smartphone tethering, monitoring, whatever, have fun with that. And like I said, it's the all black design. So once again, big news coming out from Panasonic. The S5 II, the S5 IIX, something video focused. They say for content creators. What isn't for content creators nowadays? But the big thing is that they are implementing the phase detect autofocusing system. And I just want to go like this. Panasonic, congratulations. And they're touting their new sensor, obviously, but the phase detect, I am in disbelief that that is a thing that Panasonic decides that they want to get with the times. Panasonic, big kudos to you. I am very excited to see that and how it works on your cameras. But wow, I mean, honestly, something as simple as that might take Panasonic up there a little bit. I'm not like a huge Panasonic person either, but to me, it's very exciting. And it's been a time where there has been a lot of exciting stuff out there, like I mentioned. So I think it's pretty cool. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Is this really a big deal? Or is this just like a Panasonic, oh, they finally came to times type of thing? Which I'm kind of on that route as well. But kudos, you're up to 2023. You're catching up to the times of autofocus. Let's see what else happens this year and what else I decide to try and make. But let me know your thoughts down below on the Panic S5 II and S5 IIX.